Join me as I challenge myself to come up with 10 money-making faceless channel ideas using YouTube automation, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. One of the most fascinating concepts in the YouTube space is the idea of faceless channels, creators who can generate significant income without ever showing their faces on camera. It's an appealing concept for many, especially those who value their privacy or simply don't feel comfortable being in front of the lens. Creating content for YouTube can be a daunting task, especially for aspiring creators. Coming up with ideas, producing high-quality videos, and maintaining a consistent schedule can be overwhelming. On top of that, choosing a niche and creating content around it can be a challenge in itself. And if you're trying to maintain anonymity, it adds an extra layer of complexity. Many creators struggle to find a balance between creating engaging content and staying hidden behind the camera. Another common challenge is the fear of being exposed. What if someone recognizes your voice or discovers your identity through some other means? It's a legitimate concern, but one that can be mitigated with the right strategies and precautions. As a faceless creator, you need to be mindful of the information you share and the breadcrumbs you leave online. It's a delicate balance between being authentic and staying anonymous. Maintaining anonymity also raises questions about building a personal brand. If you're not showing your face, how do you establish a connection with your audience? How do you build trust and loyalty? It's a question that many faceless creators struggle with, and one that requires a different approach to building a brand. Let's dive into 10 unique and engaging channel ideas that can be run without showing your face. One idea is to create a channel focused on ASMR content. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a tingling sensation that some people experience in response to soft sounds or whispering. It's a growing niche, and one that can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Another idea is to create a channel focused on voiceover work, such as narrating audiobooks or creating voiceovers for explainer videos. You could also create a channel focused on tutorials, such as video editing or software development. A channel focused on product reviews could be another lucrative option. You could review products without showing your face, using animations or graphics to represent the product. Another idea is to create a channel focused on language learning, where you teach languages through voiceover lessons. You could also create a channel focused on guided meditations, using your voice to guide viewers through relaxation exercises. If I had to pick the most lucrative channel idea from this list, I would say it's the ASMR channel. The ASMR niche is growing rapidly, and there's a high demand for high-quality ASMR content. If you can create a channel that resonates with the ASMR community, you could be looking at a significant income stream. Plus, the ASMR niche is relatively easy to monetize, with many brands and advertisers looking to partner with ASMR creators. One of the reasons ASMR stands out is its high engagement rates. ASMR viewers are notoriously loyal, and they'll often watch hours of content in a single sitting. This level of engagement is a dream come true for creators, as it translates to higher ad revenue and more opportunities for sponsorships. Plus, the ASMR community is highly active on social media, which means you can build a following and drive traffic to your channel. In summary, creating a successful faceless channel on YouTube requires careful planning and strategy. You need to choose a niche that resonates with your audience, create high-quality content, and maintain a consistent schedule. By leveraging YouTube automation tools and choosing the right niche, you can create a lucrative income stream without ever showing your face on camera. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite channel idea from this list, or do you have a different idea altogether? Let me know, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you want to see more content on YouTube growth strategies.